Hey geeks, welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna get straight to the chase. I got a package from Japan. I scored a doll I've been pinning from Mandarake, a Japanese store where you can buy a lot of second-hand anime-related products, including dolls. So I figure, why not switch things up today? It would be fun to share the experience of unboxing my new doll treasure with you. A friend of mine who also shopped from Mandarake mentioned they package their items really well, and it's no joke, they do. And here's my gem, an AOTO Pure Nemo doll. I've always wanted one, although they are not exactly wallet friendly. I managed to snag this one at a really good price. His name is AOTO, the magical boy of the Moonlight night. Oh my gosh. As soon as I touched the box, I knew this wasn't just any doll. Even the box feels so sturdy and hefty, and the printing work is top notch. You can see the pictures of the doll and the rest of the collection plastered all around the box. So let's bring him out. Inside there are some cards and booklet about this doll collection, but I'm not thrilled about them being taped to the box. While removing the tape, I accidentally damaged the beautiful starry background. Oops. But let's focus on the doll itself. I had so many options as there are tons of Sazon dolls, however, this little witch boy caught my eye. He might be small, but he's surprisingly weighty for his size. On the back of the box you can see the accessories the doll comes with, like the witch hat, the satchel, and the cape. Okay, let's dress him up. But first, I've got to remove the plastic protecting his hairstyle. His face is so tiny, so adorable. Now for the satchel. And I really appreciate that it's not just some plastic accessory, everything is functional. Even the buckle is fully operational. I'm impressed, but I won't open it because it seems like it would be a challenge to close it again. Next is the cape. I love the purple lining, but the closure is a real hassle. I don't know, designers could have thought of an easier way to fasten this cape because it was tough to put it on. I had to do it off camera. Okay, that was difficult, but now I'm not so sure about the cape. I feel like it hides all the high color and ruffle drama in the front. Let's move on to the witch hat. I feel like it's the defining touch of this boy's design. Thinking about it, this video would have been perfect for Halloween, but oh well, it is what it is. Oh my gosh, this is so freaking adorable. He looks like he stepped right out of a whimsical fairy tale. I also love that the brim of the hat has wire inside so you can shape it however you wish. Finally, I want to show you how he measures up against other dolls to give you an idea. He stands just 9 inches tall, making him even shorter than Monster High and Ever After High dolls, which aren't exactly giant themselves. He looks so petite next to them, and I adore that he's fully possible, even at this small scale. And here he is. Now I'm craving for more Sazon dolls, which isn't exactly great for my wallet since they are not precisely cheap. Maybe I'll treat myself to a girl doll by the end of the year as a holiday gift to myself, you know. It's been a while since I've treated myself to a collector's item. Sometimes, as doll artists, we forget the joy that comes from purchasing a collector's doll and enjoying it, you know, as it is, without customizing process involved. This is the first unboxing video I've ever made, and I really like this short 5-minute format. I'm currently working on a new doll project, so stop by my Instagram where I always drop the latest info. Well, that's it for today. Until the next time, bye!